Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the Chrome app on your phone, open it and tap the three-dot menu. Once done, make sure you're signed into the profile whose history you want to remove because sync can reintroduce items. If sync is on, you'll later need to disable it. For now, proceed to settings right arrow privacy, right arrow clear browsing data. You do this first so the app shows the same options across devices. Don't skip checking for an app update if menus look different. Now you'll choose exactly what to remove. Tap Clear Browsing Data and switch to Advanced if you want passwords, autofill, or site settings cleared. Otherwise, use Basic for the main items. Pick a time range, select All Time to erase everything. Check browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images. Include saved passwords or autofill only if you intend to remove them. Once you've made selections, tap Clear Data and confirm. This removes local traces, but synced copies may persist until you handle sync settings next. Finish by preventing deleted items from returning. Go to Chrome settings right arrow sync and Google services and turn off sync or deselect history. Then open your Google accounts data and privacy section and delete web and app activity for the same time range. This removes server-side records. After that, restart Chrome or your phone to finalize changes. If history still appears, sign out of Chrome, clear the app data from system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.